In this video, we are going to download Mule standalone runtime and see how can we install Mule standalone runtime. So I'm just typing on Google um, Mule standalone um, runtime. So I agree. Click on this and click on download. It will take some time and it will take some time. It's telling 6 minutes. So let's wait for this. Now my standalone runtime has been downloaded, so I'm uh, mm, going there. So it's in this folder. So I'm going to copy this and going to take in my users folder. You can keep it anywhere, but just make sure that the path for extraction shouldn't be that long bec- because it can create some errors. So go to users and I'm going to paste it here in the users. So it's pasted and I'm going to extract. So it has been extracted. So I'm copying this. This is our runtime. Copy and paste it here. And deleting this folder because it has this thing. So I pasted this thing out, so I don't need it anymore. So I'm going to delete this. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to set a variable, environment variable, and in that environment variable, we are going to copy this value. Just go search your environment variable, click on environment variable, and I already have this mule underscore home. If you don't have it, you need to create it, and I'm going to give a value, okay, and save. So once it's done, you need to go to your bin of this standalone runtime and open command line here, and you need to run a command mule dot. So when you type this command, it's going to execute your server. So just wait, and it says deployed. It means that our server has been installed and it's running, it's working.